What's up, Tron community? We have some more bullish news regarding Tron and TRX. Not only is the Tron blockchain now the third largest blockchain in the space today, far as total value locked TVL, but they also have just partnered with Ankr, which is one of the top Web3 infrastructures in the space today. But before we jump into those two details, let's briefly check out the sponsor of today's video, which is 𝗓𝗠𝗡𝗏𝗡. So 𝗓𝗓𝗡𝗡 is a company that allows us to round up our everyday purchases into our favorite cryptocurrencies. And they also offer a portfolio tracker as well to go with all of our investments, crypto, traditional holdings, NFTs, you name it. So let's just say you started 2 years ago with $25 a week into Bitcoin. You can now see what the total value amount would be today. So to get started, you just connect your payment information. Then you can select what crypto exchanges you would like to use that you already have an account with. And after that, you can just start making your everyday purchases and round up based off of the preferences that you have set. So if you'd like to check out 𝗓𝗠𝗡𝗏𝗡, you'll get a 30-day free trial. And you can also use the link down below to get started, or you can use the promo code �MIKE_THE_INVESTOR when signing up. But now let's dive into the two pieces of Tron news that we're going to be covering in today's video right after this. Welcome back to the channel, Future Millionaires. I'm Mike the Investor, and as we briefly just look at the overall cryptocurrency market as well as Tron TRX, we can see the cryptocurrency market is right at 1.2 trillion. We could definitely see we are on that downturn, with us being in this bear market. And as we move down to TRX, we can see it is currently ranked number 14. Now looking at this chart here, you can see on the 1 year, it is up almost 35%. On the 90-day, up over 29%. On a 30-day, up over 19%. On the week, up just about 16%. On the 24-hour, it is up over 4%. So even with the market downturning, we can see that Tron has been holding up quite nicely. But now let's go ahead and dive into Tron being the third largest blockchain in the world today, far as total value locked, also known as TVL. Now on 𝗖𝗢𝗏𝗍𝗏.com, this is going to give us the total value lock for the DeFi industry or sector, and you can see 114.2 billion. What we're going to do is click on chains right here on the left side, and then as we move down, of course, Ethereum is number one, sitting at 73.21 billion. Binance Smart Chain at 9.23 billion. And then we have Tron, the third largest blockchain, at 5.27 billion. And you can see on the 1 month, up almost 26% compared to the other ones, right? And so just wanted to point that out. A lot of people are asleep on Tron, and I've been talking about Tron for going on 2 years now, just to tell you guys, this project is a hidden gem despite some of the negative things that's happened or been said in the past. But now let's dive into Tron partnering with Ankr, and this came out May 22nd this month. Now, Tron partners with Ankr to improve access to Web3 infrastructure. Now, this partnership is a valuable step forward for Tron, the app developers looking to integrate capabilities for high throughput, scalable, and secure apps. So let's go down and look at some of the meat and potatoes of this. So Ankr provides a geo-distributed and decentralized Tron RPC comprised of many independent blockchain nodes running worldwide for low latency and reliable connections. Now let's move down to the supports Tron network. But before we do, you can see this partnership also solves the issue developers have been encountering, which is eliminates complex node ops, grant access to advanced tools, power apps, and open source software that need access to Tron. Now, if you look here, supports the Tron network. Ankr protocol will strengthen the Tron network globally by offering easier development and a broader decentralized node infrastructure. In addition, Ankr will incentivize independent and enterprise node operators to add their nodes to the load balancer in return for Ankr tokens, adding additional Tron nodes to strengthen this robust network. Now, real quick, I just want to show you some about Ankr. You can see Ankr is building the future of decentralized infrastructure and multi-chain solutions, servicing over 50 proof-of-stake chains with an industry-leading global node delivery system and developer toolkit. Now listen to this. Ankr services over 1 trillion with a T, 1 trillion transactions a year across Web3 and its main infrastructure provider for Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, and Polygon chains as of 2022 this year. So if we briefly just look at Tron real quick, we can see the total number of accounts over 94 million, on its way to 95 and 100 million, which it definitely will reach this year in my opinion. And as you can see, the transfer amount of core tokens over 4.4 billion. So for those of you that's aware of Tron, for those of you that's aware of BitTorrent, the BitTorrent chain BTT token, you guys know what's up. You guys know we do have to be patient because we are definitely in a bear market, but also it takes time for these things to really start to unfold. Because when you look at the mission and you look at the use case of these two projects, it's definitely going to take time. And also both of these projects don't have the smallest supply either. And so it will take time to add a little bit more value into the projects. However, I do believe this is bullish news for Tron. I also think all of this is going to result in more bullishness as well for BitTorrent. However, keep in mind, just because we have some bullish news doesn't mean we're going to automatically see that just in the price, right? So just keep that in mind. But if you gain some value from the video, like the video, comment, subscribe. If you're part of the Tron community, put TRX in the comment section, and I will see you on the next one.